Meaning of hotchpotch.
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 Hotchpotch. The term hotchpotch refers to a disorganized and chaotic mixture of things. It can be used to describe a variety of situations where different elements have been combined in a way that seems confused or haphazard. This term is often applied to situations where an assortment of items have been thrown together with little regard for organization or coherence. Overall, hotchpotch implies a lack of structure or order, and suggests that something is messy, complicated, or difficult to understand due to the sheer variety of elements involved.